care doctor gonna say those charges were trumped up and silly ass. Cause you do the same shit. Alright, now he says he euthanized. Euthanize those tigers. Yeah, okay, girl. Oh, good. Jeff Lowe screwed over Kathy Bates, so Kathy won't get any of that Hacklewood Zoo money. I don't know how you gonna say Jeff didn't care who he screwed when
I didn't think it was gonna work, Chief. But I tell you what, changed brother's mind in a heartbeat. This group makes number 6, but they still have 16 more left to tag out. Good sauce on it, girl. That magnolia bud all over it. Hey, oh yeah, baby. I'm a believer.
The sizzle.
Does it work?
Bow.
Thomas put together books like Bad Boy, this and that, and they were put together as a harmony group in a classic sense. You had Joey in this like low mid range, you had Justin was kind of nasal, and Chris on the very high, and JC had this kind of like smooth voice.